Hey guys, this is Ian from Cherry Midrand. I've got our dealer principal JP here
And
and
the finest cherry.
and the finest cherry. Guys, listen, I tell you what, before you look around, make sure that you come to Cherry Midrand. We might not be the cheapest, but I tell you what, the add-ons and the benefits that you'd get from us far surpass anything. James, tell us a little bit about the benefits that we get here at Cherry Midrand.
Yeah, so Cherry Midrand is the only dealership. We call it the Cherry Midrand Value Stack. So just to give you, there's 4 added benefits that we offer that you will get nowhere else. First one is we give you a 2-year, 30,000 kilometers extended service plan. We give you a 2 years accident angels cover or benefit. Then we also give you a 12-month midweek holiday voucher. And then the last one that's the newest to our values is called the Poopster voucher. It's savings up to 12,000 per annum. That's 1,000 a month that you get down in your grocery slips. So, and then we've also just started the F1 Cherry service. So when you bring your car in for a service, we guarantee you within 1 hour in and out. So come and check us out, guys.
Listen here, Shayna, I tell you what, you are in the sales department the same as me. And for me, like I said, we might not always be the cheapest, but in terms of value and looking after our clients, there is no better place to go. So why don't you contact Shayna or myself or JP or one of the other sales guys, and let's get you into your dream vehicle. Guys, I'm going to leave the link below. It's going to be absolutely fantastic to have you part of our family. And like I say, no other place to go but Cherry Madrid. Guys, have the most fantastic day, and we'll
Don't
catch you
miss
later.
out. Don't miss out. Exclusive offers only at Cherry Madrid.